Today we are at Mama's Farmhouse in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We're going to try
Breakfast. All you can eat. They got a spread. I have heard there's chocolate gravy. I've never had chocolate gravy. I'm excited to go try chocolate gravy.
I want to try the award-winning biscuits.
So we're going to show you around, tell you a little bit about what the place is like, and let you know if the food is worth your trip.
Come on our next adventure.
Okay, first thing to hit the table is pinwheels. Got some peach butter. And over here we have cinnamon apples. So far I like this place. As soon as she come over, I got food on the table and she asked for our drinks.
Yes.
Nothing like warm food, right? I really liked the pinwheels. So, memory time. I have a memory. Anyone had a grandma who made pies and cut off the extra pie crust and then put cinnamon and sugar on it for you? It was kind of like that because it was flaky, but it wasn't as crunchy as a pie crust.
It's very light.
I
I ate
enjoyed
mine.
it. Yeah,
Mine was gone before she had a chance to say a word.
we demolished them. And these are cinnamon apples. I mean, they taste like cinnamon apples. Come on, guys. We all know what Cracker Barrel ones taste like, and I don't know how different cinnamon and apples can taste from one restaurant to another. We have a literal table full of food. Hash brown casserole, sausage gravy, grits, the peach butter again, eggs, award-winning biscuits. We'll see what they think. Sausage, bacon, chicken tenders, cinnamon apples again. Chocolate gravy, I've never had, but it says the word chocolate. I'm excited. And the Belgian waffles you can get upon request. It's a little bit hungry this morning.
Starving.
Yeah, he grabbed the carbs first, that's how you know. They're usually mine. I thought the hash brown casserole that he plowed into, I'm a little bitter. I like the carbs. It was really good. It's cheesy and it's got cornflakes on top, very crunchy.
I loved it. I'm usually not a potato person, but it had lots of cheese, and I actually like the cornflakes on top.
Yeah, you can't see my stunned face. I am usually, yeah, that's not him.
The eggs, send it back. Nah. Sorry, unless I wasn't supposed to say egg. Yeah.
No, go for it. I mean, I guess they're just plain old eggs.
Little chewy, little tough. I thought it was cheese, but I shouldn't have said it. You hadn't had a chance to take a bite, but
Yeah, wow, I'm excited to try those now.
bet you will be. Everybody has a different opinion.
Yeah, I agree. The eggs they're nothing special. They're buffet eggs. Like you said, they've been held with a little salt and pepper, which cures darn near everything. Sausage gravy. As a side note, our son makes amazing sausage and biscuits and gravy, so it's got a high bar.
Well, it shows a lot of pepper. It tastes like pepper.
Well, maybe it's...
No.
Well, I was wondering, I'm like, is it sausage gravy or maybe it's just pepper, like white pepper gravy?
No, according
What's
to
that called? Sawmill gravy? I don't know. No, that's not right.
Start to say according to our son, who you just said makes amazing something.
Yeah.
He cooks all kinds of stuff. Oh, he said I should have pepper in it. I'm like, yeah, I'm just not the biggest fan of pepper. I am not a huge fan, but I was trying.
Yeah, me neither. Moment of truth for mamas.
Well, apparently they have award-winning biscuits, I believe is what it said.
That's what it said. The now defunct Knoxville Biscuit Festival or something. I cheated. I had biscuits already. I had to put the gravy on something because I was trying to give it all the help it could possibly get.
And I'm usually not a gravy person. I don't think she's ever seen me eat it without anything, let alone. So I thought, let me try it plain.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a little bit of butter to it. It's soft. My question is, who else showed up at the festival?
Yeah, I was gonna
Was
say
like
they're
was Five Oaks there? Was
they are not
Sawyer's
bad.
there? Because Sawyer's is really good.
I was gonna say they're not bad. They're just not grandma biscuits.
Honestly, our son makes them just as good at home,
Yeah.
if not better. All right, let's see if the chocolate gravy. Maybe.
Well, it's
More than
definitely
that.
got
Anyway, why don't
gravy consistency. It's nice and thick.
see if it's better than the regular gravy. This strange has a very chocolate flavor to it.
First time with chocolate gravy.
Neither one of us has had it, I don't think.
No, I was just double checking with
Yeah.
you. I
Yeah.
hadn't had it.
Oddly, being from Kentucky, I don't remember my family ever making it or having it at any dinner. Tastes like. Oh, I should let you eat it and give my opinion. So,
Okay, we're gonna cut for a second. I'm gonna finally get a bite of something, and then we'll.
oh,
Hi, I finally get to be on camera. Chocolate gravy, and I think this is really interesting difference. So I remember growing up, and my grandma would make cook and serve. God, what is that pudding? They still make instant pudding. Anyway, pudding, cook and serve pudding, and it tastes like cook and serve pudding before you cool it off, like when you get it right out of there and it's warm. Jamie has never had cook and serve pudding. He's always had instant pudding. So interesting that things we're still learning about each other after 30 years.
yeah, because my mom and brother made pudding. It was always instant.
Jello brand. Oh my God, how could I not remember Jello brand? Anyway, there you go.
As I figured out about 2 minutes ago, Karen just now figured out they give you one utensil, a fork. Because I was going to cut the biscuit, because when I pull them apart, half the time they don't. I'm just weird. I want my biscuits even, and I got like 80% on one side. She was trying to cut a waffle, which is even more important.
Haha. Okay, well, that probably says something that I actually got it. All right, so we're going to have a ginormous piece of. All right, spoke too soon. Excuse the pause, it's all I could do. Okay, the chicken is really good. We went out to Mama's chicken kitchen. I don't know why I have a problem with both places.
I have trouble with that. One's in Gatlinburg, one's in Pigeon Forge.
So yeah, and they have really good chicken, and obviously this is Mama's Farmhouse where they get the recipe from, so still good chicken. Yeah. Make chicken and waffles while you're here. Hot tip.
We only do it a couple days, though, or do we have to ask for it? I can't remember. I thought she said it.
You just have to ask for the waffles.
So we just finished breakfast at Mama's Farmhouse?
Yeah,
There's two different locations. I get them mixed up.
we do. That's kind of our issue. I thought everything was pretty good.
Here's where I was going. Well, I'm interrupting. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I had thoughts before we got on the camera. I was like, is it the best breakfast around here? No. Is it okay? Yes. Is it good? Possibly. Am I coming back? I don't know. We'll figure that one out. Nothing really excited me saying we got to come back. I'm just asking. Nothing. Anything jump out to you?
No, I mean, a couple of things jumped out. I don't know if they're like spectacular. I really liked the hash brown casserole. I thought the cornflakes added a little bit of crispness to something that's usually kind of mush. The grits were pretty good. They were cooked in chicken stock, it felt like. With
It tasted like chicken. It was different grits,
I was going to say salt, peppery, buttery. Pretty good grits. The bacon was cooked perfectly. It wasn't like crumbly crunchy, but it was just crunchy enough. Chocolate gravy, glad I'm had it. Yeah, that pretty much covers. Oh, and the chicken tenders were pretty good. Everything else was good enough. Nothing was bad.
Maybe I'm having recency
well, the
bias,
eggs.
but we have a different video that'll be coming out. Sawyer's. I would drive 400 miles to come back and have the pancakes with cinnamon syrup. Just saying. The biscuits were amazing. That's why I was like, to me, everything here was okay.
Yeah, it's perfectly okay. If you are feeding people and you would like a lot of food, this is where I would go. There is a lot of food. They keep bringing you a lot of food. Unfortunately, the one thing I thought was I feel like we wasted some food because they brought like enough for a table for two of us.
I was not a fan of the eggs. I did not eat the eggs. I was not a
Yeah,
fan of
the
the
eggs.
apples. The apples were cold. Apparently, I did not know this till today. I like the apples warm. Just saying. I think that's because of Cracker Barrel. I'm going to blame them.
Yeah, I have nothing else to add.
So there you go. There's
So
our review.
decidedly, meh.
Yeah, that's where I was going. It was okay.
Yep.
Would I recommend it? Sure, give it a shot.
It's an experience. It's a very cute building.
There's a lot
should-
with the atmosphere. Yes, we will show you some photos and stuff of the decor.
If you're a tourist, you should definitely at least try it once. So thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed the video, go ahead.
I was going to say, hope all of this rambling helped you make a decision about mamas.
I was going to say, if you enjoyed the video, we'd appreciate some likes and subscribe.
And comment and come check out our next adventure, okay?